Hey dolls, today I have a new doll to unbox and dress up for you. But first, I want to thank Dolkstation for sending me this beautiful doll. If you're wondering, Dolkstation is an online shop for BJD dolls and accessories. If you go to their website, which I will link in the description below, they have tons of dolls, outfits, accessories, and tools for customizing your BJD. They also have layaway payment plan if you are buying dolls on a budget. But don't take my word for it. Visit their website and check it out for yourself. The doll that they sent me is a ring doll named Alice 99 in Wonderland. Click the link in the description to find her at the Dolkstation website. Here is the box it is packed in. The first thing we have is this calendar. Included for free, it has all kinds of different dolls from Dolkstation. I love it. I'm sure you're as excited as I am, so let's open her up already. The box is very secure, nothing falling out of it. There we go. Wow, the gold writing is very shiny. Let's get the styrofoam out of the way. First, we have the plastic box. I'll fold that up later. This will be good for keeping all her little accessories in. Here is a packing list. Here is a brochure of other dolls that Ring Doll makes. In this envelope, we have the birth card of the doll, a warning about dye running in the clothing, and a little booklet on how to care for your doll. We also have the Alice 99 biography written in this book. Let's open these packages later because I'm sure, like me, you just want to see the doll already. Here she is in her own little bag. She is nicely bubble wrapped. Now, the face reveal. Oh my god, she's mummified. Kidding! As you can see, she has full face up already. Her eyes haven't been added yet, so let's do that right now. The top of her head pops off. It is held on with a magnet. There is the Ring Doll logo. Very secure but easy to get at. I like it. She comes with putty, so everything you need to add eyes is included. It's a little tight in there, so I'm going to take her head off to make it a little easier. There we go. Her eyes are all ready. Alice 99 in Wonderland also comes with a second head that has a different expression. Here she is winking, and she has a heart on her cheek. Very cute. If you notice, there is a code inside the skull. That's how you know it's authentic. Okay, let's put her back together. Here is her back if you're wondering what it looks like. She's a BJD. She bends very easily, so she's totally poseable. Now, let's get her dressed up. This is my favorite part. What's yours? Okay, let's start with her knee-high socks. Next, we'll put on her petticoat. Her dress shirt with a cute little red bow. The snaps make it very easy. The lace at her sleeves is separate from the shirt, so your doll can have plain sleeves or fancy sleeves. I like that. Then we'll add the dress on top of all that. The petticoat really makes the bottom flare out. It's beautiful. Finally, we will tie these straps behind her neck and she'll be all set. Oops, she needs her hair. Let's get the wig. OMG! This wig is super soft. And I love the blue tips. Really, really pretty. Oh, and of course, she needs shoes. There doesn't seem to be enough holes in the straps, so I'm just gonna pull them tight and pull the prong to the side. Perfect. Now we get to accessorize. Let's take the wig off for a second so we can put the necklace on her. Very pretty. I also have some other accessories here. I'm not sure if they are included in the Alice 99 full set, but here they are. Very cute eyeglasses, some backpacks, so cute. I believe this cape is included in the outfit. You'll see them all later in the video. Oh, and another necklace that may not be included, and a headband too. And a cap. They also sent me a saddle stand. That is a lot. Thank you so much, Dolkstation. What can I say? Alice 99 in Wonderland is really a wonderful BJD. I can't wait to introduce her to Mirai and Miku. So dolls, go check her out at Dolkstation. The link is in the description. Also, they have many more dolls there. And there you have it. Please subscribe and like this video to see more BJDs in the future. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.